Hello, in this video we will going to show about the 360 degrees hand sanitizers. So this item we use it and the public area for automatic cleaning. You can see the sign hand here, the sign of the symbol of the hand here, and when you put the hand down, it will release the shampoo for you to clean. Okay, this is the front cover of the our material. So it just shows the sensor and some operation here, so you can see the detail. Okay, this part it is the sensor modules. Anyway, inside it has the pump here. It has the pump and refill bottle. It stores the shampoo for our cleaning. And this part it is the back view. We show about the wall mount hole for installation. We install it to direct to the wall, and we use the battery to operate it. Okay, so here you can see the batteries. Okay, this is the other we use. It shows all the components and the operation. It is the same, but we just change it to be more special photo that make you more easy to understand. Okay, this one also same. Yeah, it is a very normal system. You can see the full image here and understand it clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video.